all the dignitaries, respected personalities from my inner core of heart on the side of Nepal Kastamandar College for keeping all your fine work aside. So we are very, very indebted on towards guests as well. With this, you might have some kind of curiosity when you selected Nepal Kastamandar College. I would like to speak few words about what Kastamandar is. Nepal Kastamandar College is the result of experience and intellectual maturity. The people, experienced people, gathered from different acclaimed academic institutions from Kathmandu Valley have founded this august institution. Therefore, you students will completely get an academic environment in order to be professional in future. Since the foundation of Nepal Kastamandar College is very strong, I don't think even the earthquake of 9 Richter scale can move its foundation. So it has got a very strong foundation. With this, I have promised that Nepal Kastamandar College is the college of experienced people, intellectual people, and the expert and professional people have found in this organization. Therefore, you students will completely be a professional, there is no doubt at all. At the same time, Nepal Kastamandar College has started soft skill training. Let me make you clear, my dear students, Nepal Kastamandar College is only the college of Nepal to start soft skill training in +2 level. This training primarily focuses on developing confidence level, developing logical capacity, and it also teaches you how to translate the bookish knowledge into your practical life. These are the basic assets that you students will get once you learn soft skill training. I have already told you, my dear students, Nepal Kastamandar College is the first college of Nepal to start soft skill training. With this, we have also started e-learning, learning through internet. During our counseling, we have repeatedly told to our students that Nepal Kastamandar College has started e-learning in +2. This is perhaps for the first time in Nepal again. In the same way, Nepal Kastamandar College is almost at the end to have a collaboration with the University of America. We are almost at the last stage. Perhaps right after 15 days, we will organize similar kind of program in the college, and we will declare you, my dear students, that Nepal Kastamandar has collaborated, or it's going to collaborate with one of the Universities of America. Being very proud, we'll be declaring perhaps within a few days. This is also perhaps going to be, let's not tell first time in Nepal, but we are sure that we will be able to give international level education to our students who have trusted to make Nepal Kastamandar College a career building institution. With this lot of letter of appreciation, recorded results, and the trust of the people of different walks of life are other parts of attraction of Nepal Kastamandar College. My dear students, now this is a formal program, you know very well. A formal program always starts with the chairmanship.